Stand tall with feet wide and arms relaxed. The breath becomes steady as the body prepares for movement. Swing one arm overhead while leaning sideways. The ribs open fully while the opposite hip anchors down. Step feet lightly in place while keeping posture tall. The ankles warm up and the legs feel springy. Twist the torso gently while crossing arms from side to side. The spine rotates smoothly and the core activates. Step one leg behind the other in a gentle skater motion. The hips glide side to side while the legs stay strong. Straighten both legs and slide one hand down the shin while the other lifts up. The chest opens as the hamstrings lengthen. Step into a wide stance and pull one arm back like drawing a bow. The body stays strong while the chest expands. Lift one knee towards the chest while standing tall. The standing leg strengthens as balance sharpens. Lean forward with arms open like wings while twisting slightly. The lifted leg stays steady as the upper body rotates. Lower into a half squat and switch weight side to side. The legs power up while the hips loosen. Step back and rise into a high lunge with arms up. The front leg feels grounded while the back leg stretches deeply. Tap one foot forward, side, then back without losing balance. The core stays stable while the hips move freely. Kneel on one knee and lift both arms upward with control. The posture stays tall while the hips stretch. Come to hands and feet with hips up and walk lightly forward. The core engages fully while hands and feet move quickly. Hover knees a few centimeters above the mat and twist gently. The torso stays strong while the twist increases mobility. Lift the hips forward and back like small waves. The shoulders strengthen while the legs engage. Lie on the back and lift the hips up and down smoothly. The glutes activate while the spine moves fluidly. Lift both legs and alternate lowering them one at a time. The belly stays flat as the legs move quickly. Lie on the back, reach both arms to one side and stretch long. The body forms a curved line that opens the side waist. Lie with arms open and breath soft. The entire body relaxes, so agility improvements can integrate.